Hi guys, Anderson here. Today we need to talk a little bit about the difference between the KIT version and RTR version, because I see the comment and the biggest question right now is about the price. We launched the 1A buggy, the DSK, with 3 versions: the Roller version, the RTR version, and the KIT version. The Roller version was $399, and the RTR and the KIT both at the same price is $499.99. A lot of you have asked me, wait a minute, Anderson, in the RC world, a KIT is usually 20% cheaper than the RTR because it doesn't have the electronic. Why are you guys do like an RTR version is the same price with the KIT version? So I think it's a fair question. So that's why we record this video for you guys. But here's the truth. The DSK KIT is not just a stripped down RTR. It's completely different. It's a completely different beast. And the KIT version is a Pro-Spec racing weapon. It's designed for the race situation. Let me break down the math for you. Our baseline is the Roller version, was $399. But for the RTR, that extra $100 gets you the factory electronic like the motor, ESC, servo. It is ultimate ready-to-bash package for the beginner who just want to hit the dirt immediately as you receive the car. The only thing you need to know is like to charge your battery. But for your advanced driver and racer, we know you don't want stock electronic. You already have the much more superior one, premier setup. If we charge you for the electronic you don't want to use, I think it's a total waste of your money. So for the KIT version, we took the extra $100 and reinvest in every single cent with this heavy-duty competition-level material upgrade. We replace the electronic with premier option parts. So let me break down for you what exactly you will get in your KIT version. So I will tell the difference with both the RTR version and KIT version. Okay, the first one, the drivetrain. We completely dropped the standard center drive shaft from the RTR version here to upgrade to the precision center CVT transmission shaft. That means zero slop and flawless power delivery. The number 2 is the carbon. Check out the rear shock tower. In the KIT version, this is upgrade to the massive 4mm thick. Here you can see the 4mm thick pure carbon fiber plate for extreme rigidity and lightweight performance. The number 3, the traction. Instead using the standard bashing tire, the KIT version comes with the standard with 115 by 45 mm competition pin tire. This is ready for your best the competition race, fit for your track. And of course, when we talk about the hardware, we throw a massive OP upgrade. This is you will get in your KIT version. This is OP parts for the KIT version already in the package in your box. You get upgrade titanium and S2 alloy parts, including your tire rod, the pillow balls, and outdrive cup. If you bought all these premier upgrades separately, you will spend way more than $100. So the DSK KIT, this one, it's designed for massive tuning potential and customized. Whether you are a professional driver looking for ultimate trekking setup, or you're just a beginner who want to build a championship level 1A buggy from the ground up, this platform here gives you the absolute best value on the market. So you won't find the best price on the market like this level. The RTR version is built instant fun, but the kit version is built for the podium. You bring the power, we give you the ultimate winning platform. Head over in the link in the description and secure your DSK right now. So if you have more questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. We will answer you. Maybe you can ask on the live stream tonight, or you will we will answer you use your DM or in the comment section. So keep the passion. So we will see you on the live stream.